This is the keyboard. It's really gorgeous. It is a 60%, so understand that you don't have a numeric pad on this side. You do have the basic numbers at the top. The stand to hold them a little higher is right there. It doesn't make a big difference, but it's okay. You have our RGB lights. It's a backlit. The options are gorgeous. Let me close the curtain a little. Okay, so that's the lighting. If you want to change the style of the lights to fit what you like best, you're gonna hit FN and Alt. And then we do have the options where if you want it like that, wherever you type, it will light up on that particular spot.
That's why I make.
Sorry, turned on the video. All right, so then we go back to Alt and we have still some more settings. There's 20 in total. So you have many options to choose from. This, I just want to let you know, will cause anybody who has epilepsy or seizure prone, this can really trigger. Just letting you know. I'm saying that because I know somebody who's had a keyboard that lights up and it happened. So be careful, just letting you know. Some of these are, I'm telling you, these are gorgeous. Like the way they have it done is gorgeous. This is actually kind of my favorite because there's a white light going on, but the keys themselves have color and it's absolutely gorgeous. This keyboard does sound beautiful. I'm gonna stop there. I just wanted you to know what buttons to press to change the color keyboard to the mode of the keyboard. This is my favorite because it's a white hue going on with just the keycap colors that are colored. I love that very much, so I'm gonna keep that. But if I were to say my other favorite is when it's no color and then you tap one and it's just like a little spark of color depending on what number you tap or letter you tap. So that's my favorite. Here's one thing I'll say. The sound is awesome. Hold on, let me get off of this because it's gonna keep on turning on this video. The sound is amazing, right? But when you have nails on a 60% keyboard, you are gonna hit other letters or numbers on the keyboard. So keep that in mind. I have to kind of like kind of stretch my fingers so that the tip of it is what's typing, because if not, I am hitting Y with H or whatever. So whatever, not gonna keep this going, but it is an amazing keyboard. Beautifully done. It is just so gorgeous in person. Video really doesn't do it justice. Get you one because I honestly love it so much.
I recently got this mechanical keyboard 60%, and I really recommend it. It's been amazing so far. And there's a lot of light settings, which is really nice. You can pick whichever one you want. And so here's one of them. It's basically where when you press the key, it fades color everywhere. And then there's another one, which is kind of weird, but whatever. It's, by the way, to change color setting, you just hit FN and then you press Alt. This one's pretty cool. It's kind of like candy colors, I don't know. There's this one, which like fades to the side, rainbow. This one where it just changes the color that you're typing with. So like, it's really nice. I really like the clickiness on this keyboard. It's very nice. Very responsive. Very good. Very, very clicky. It's very nice. This one. I like using this one. This is normally what I use. And yeah, there's just a lot of light settings. I use an iMac, and so it connected up very well if you ever have an Apple product, and I think it would work really well with Windows. I think this keyboard was meant for Windows. Like, it has the Windows button, like Win, and there's also one thing, I give this a 5 out of 5 stars, but there's one thing that I want to warn you guys about, which I didn't know about when I was buying the 60%. I'm fine without it, but there's some keys that are missing. Like, I had an Apple keyboard before, and it has arrow keys to go back and forth on whatever you're typing, and it also had like a squiggly line. I don't know how to, like, what the name for that is. But anyways, I think that this keyboard is a 5 out of 5 stars, and I really recommend it to anybody trying to get a mechanical keyboard. Very, very clicky. Like, very nice. Yeah. I really like this keyboard. If you're thinking of getting this, definitely do.
So, this is the keyboard right here. Very clicky, but honestly, I would probably prefer not this big of a keyboard, because very small. Also, if you're playing other games, like, what do you call it? Like, if you have 5M or something, which I don't really play much, let me close this. If you're playing like GTA and crap, like, you need like arrow buttons, don't really get it, being completely honest, because you need arrow buttons, now to think about it. But yeah, I had this for like a year now. Like, about a year, I'll say. No, I'll say a couple months, I think. For like a year. Yeah. Really, really nice. When I say wireless, it's definitely not wireless. I mean, unless it is, and I'm stupid. Or if they updated the thing, because before it said it was wireless when I got it, and it's definitely not wireless, unless there's a way that you can get wireless, which I want, because I like more wireless stuff, because yeah, it's good wireless, because I don't like much wires, because all this stuff back here, I don't need more wires and stuff to connect to my PC, because probably need that later. Yeah, otherwise it's really good. If you're looking for a creamy keyboard, this is it, definitely. But I would look for probably a 75% keyboard, or 70% keyboard at least, compared to pretty sure this is a 60% keyboard. So yeah.
great keyboard. Has a lot of different modes. I use it in my setup every day. I just got it for Christmas, so now I've had it for about 2 months. Let me just show you the different modes. It could be off. It has like these modes where like it just changes. You change the modes with Alt and FN. They're right next to the space bar. These two. Five out of 5 stars. Would recommend.
She's promoting this, or she's saying she's using this to try and get her shade? What are we fucking doing? It's just like a hula. Yo, what is that glare? You see what I mean? She's always been staring off at something. Like, what is she looking at? Between this and the horrendous
my god, the lights on this new keyboard, they cycle pretty fast by default.